যাদেরকে ডাকা হবে তোমরা জলদি আসো, সময় খুব স্বল্প।
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Congratulations to the Honorable Principal, the teachers and the present for today's program, organized by Hazrat Maryam Radallahu Ta'ala Anha Hafizah Qawmiya Mahila Madrasa. Today my discussion topic about my madrasa. The name of my madrasa is Hazrat Maryam Radallahu Ta'ala Anha Hafizah Qawmiya Mahila Madrasa. It is situated in Gujia Shikganj, Bogura. It is one of the famous and well-known madrasa in our locality madrasa. Bangla divisions, Hifzul Quran and Kitab divisions. The environment of my madrasa is very beautiful and peaceful. Authority of my madrasa is very responsible. The teachers are very systematic. I am proud of my madrasa. It very soon, may Allah bless you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
মারহাবা।